Christmas child, and I am super excited. So, before we get started, basically, I'm supposed to do. So we went to Dollar Tree and some Dollar General, and we got all this. I know we went overload. Okay, overload.
It may not all fit.
Yeah, it may not.
Because what's the goal?
To
get everything to fit in a shoebox.
Yeah. And I want to show you the shoebox. Here they are.
Operation Christmas Child is through Samaritan's Purse, and you basically select a gender of a child and their age group. Then you can pack the boxes. If you don't have time to go out shopping, you can build a shoebox online for $25, and then you just pack it up, drop it off at the local drop-off location, which would be a local church, and that's after you put the $9 shipping tracking label on there. It's a $9 donation to ensure that it gets to where it needs to go. And then here is Molly working to pack the shoe boxes up. So Molly has decided that she would like to pack a box for a girl age group 2 to 5 and a boy age group 2 to 5. So those are the items we purchased. We purchased some things that are necessities such as gloves, beanies, socks, and other items like that, washcloth and soap, water bottle, as well as some arts and crafts items and little toys to go with it.
are back, and here's the boxes.
They needed a little bit of tape, but we got almost everything we purchased inside. Show them what was left out.
The Play-Doh.
The girls' Play-Doh.
The girls' shoes.
The girls' shoes.
And the Lego.
The boys' Lego and the girls' headbands. We could have maybe swooshed the headbands, but they're plastic and I was afraid that they would break. So we got almost everything in. I'm sure that each one of the kids is going to be super duper happy, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
And how do you feel doing something nice for other people?
I feel good.
Yeah? You excited?
Yes.
Excited to go drop them off? Now we just have to print out the shipping labels from the website and drop them off. Next week, is it next week? The 18th through the 25th is the week for drop off. So it's not next week, it's the week after. So,
also I need to make a letter.
yeah. We need to, you can write a letter and send a picture. So we'll do that. So thanks for watching.
Bye.
If you're interested in partaking in this, I will have all the links down below.
And one more thing, make sure to like and subscribe.
We'll see you later.
We live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.